Today we are going to be talking about the cons of landfills.
A secure landfill is a carefully created depression in the ground where waste is put. The goal is to avoid any water-related connection between the waste and the surrounding environment, particularly groundwater. Basically, a landfill is a bathtub in the ground. Bathtubs leak two ways, out the bottom or over the top. There is something called leachate. Leachate happens when toxins from landfills mix up with water or snow. They flow like a fluid, which can then be a serious problem to deal with. This combination is called leachates. Leachates can then seep into the top layer of soil and affect the groundwater, as well as harm the ecosystem in many ways. Leachate is one of the major problems with landfills. Another con is that there's a stigma attached to being identified as a trash dump. Building a regional landfill could also negatively impact the property value of the surrounding properties. Although methane production is a plus, it does not have very many uses. It is a very dirty fuel and is very expensive to produce. Landfills only produce methane for about 10 to 15 years, but the landfill is still there forever, having no use whatsoever. How many times have you seen trash while driving down the highway? Have you ever wondered where it goes? It goes to a landfill. Loose trash is already a major problem on the commonly traveled routes. Supporters have said trash trucks will have a designated route they must travel. It isn't likely that truckers who are on a tight schedule will always follow those rules. The county can't have laws enforcement people stationed along all the possible routes to a regional landfill to catch all the offenders.
So, how can you help? The number one thing to take away from this is to use other methods of trash disposal. We strongly urge you to try composting or recycling.